Did you know that you're not supposed to be using a felt tip eyeliner like a brush? Instead, felt tip eyeliners were created as stamping tools for your eyeliner. It is so simple and so easy to use it. Sometimes I feel like we complicate it, and I'm going to show you how to get the perfect eyeliner using felt tips. So if you're ready, let's begin. You can do this with any felt tip eyeliner that you have. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Inks Easy Liquid Eyeliner Pen. You will observe that your felt tips are much more sturdier and less flexible as compared to any brush eyeliner. And that's what makes it easy to stamp with it. The first thing that you're going to do is hold your pen so the pointed tip is pointing outward, then stamp it in the very outer corner. It's that simple. And you already have a wing. You can now extend or clean up that wing as much as you want. And now for the eyeliner itself in the lash line, don't point your pen downwards or upwards. Instead, lay it flat on your lash line. All I'm doing here is using my lash line itself as a stencil, and I'm going to simply stamp it, laying that pen flat on my lash line. So in a way, your lash line is doing all the work for you in applying the eyeliner. That's it. I'm going to now join this to the outer wing, and you can extend it as much as you want in the inner corner just to neaten it and sharpen it. And there we have a clean, sharp eyeliner using a felt tip by just stamping the eyeliner rather than using it as a brush. Now you may say, Smitha, it's so easy to do it on one eye. Try doing it on the other eye as well. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to go a little bit faster this time because we've already done it once. So I'm going to stamp it in the very outer corner and neaten it up. And then I'm going to lay that pen flat on my lash line and stamp it all the way from the inner to the outer corner. Join it to the wing and neaten it up in the inner corner. That's pretty much it. Now, because I have uneven eyes, my left eye is a little bit smaller than my right. You'll observe that the eyeliner looks a little bit different as well. But it's negligible because I kept the eyeliner small. It's only when you try to do a really large wing and eyeliner you can see a major difference, especially if you have uneven eyes like me. Do you have a felt tip eyeliner and would you try this method? Let me know in comments, and do check out the description box for all the products that I use along with links to my social media. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.